Hey everybody, what's going on? Missybeelondon here. I'm back again. Happy New Year. Hope your year is going good so far. We are in January 2018. I got it right this time. This is just going to be a quick video update on what I'm up to, what I'm doing, my plans for YouTube. Plans are not going good right now. Like I said, I'm still having laptop issues, and I'm filming this on the camera because somehow I can send it to the phone to edit on the phone and put it on YouTube. I just got a memory card for that got a memory card for that phone, so hopefully, you know, it should work out. But yeah, I've still not got a lot of time to do hair videos, still not got a lot of time to do other kind of videos, but I'll still try to put content out there, you know, in my free time, which I don't have a lot of, and when I'm off, it's like so much things to do. I'm so tired, but I thought Sunday, let me try and get a few videos out the way because I know I'm going to be busy again during the week. But yeah, like I said, there'll be January is going to be a weird month for you guys watching my videos because it's not going to be a lot of me in the videos. It's going to be a lot of slideshow videos, but they'll still be good. May not be like how it used to be. This is not what I really planned, but this is what I can do for now because like I said, I'm going through issues and stuff, but I still want to put stuff out that is useful. Of course, I will do the My Ebony Box video because that is my video that I will do every month. The Birch Box video, that will just be, you know, the camera will be on the box and you see me take out the contents, but I don't really talk in those videos because I don't really want to, but I just thought, let me just show what's in the box anyway. Beauty stuff, hair stuff, fashion stuff, you know what, I will do them eventually when I have more time. But yes, and I will try just to record some other random videos. It's not going to be, that's what I'm saying, it's not going to be like what you're used to seeing, so to say, but it's just stuff that I could put out for now, and hopefully, I hope in February things will get back to normal. But yes, bear with me for now, and I hope you will still continue to support me and my channel and my other channel. Like I was saying, Missybeelondon has natural hair, but that channel is not really doing much right now as well, because like I said, if I ain't got time to do things on this channel, to do hair videos, and that channel is like even a challenge because like I'm saying, tech issues and all that stuff. But I think it's a thing that I really need to really bulk record in my free time, or if I have free time and stuff, and then just record a lot of videos, so I know I've got a lot to put out for a certain amount of time. December, it wiped me out with Vlogmas, yeah, dropping videos every day up until 25th, and yeah, even those videos are random as well. But you know what, I still kept the content out, so it's not as if it's a change of what I do, because I still keep the stuff relatable to what I do and what I like, yada yada yada, so to say. It's like not as if I'm gonna like randomly drop a gamer video, because I don't do games, so what am I doing a gamer video for? That's just random. But I'm just rambling on again. But I hope you can support me in 2018. Hope everybody is doing well, and I wish you well for your channel as well. If you're watching it, I wish you well. Nothing much else to say, so I guess I will catch you in my next video, whether you see my face or just hear me do a voiceover, I don't know. But like I was saying, I will still try to drop content out to keep things busy, and so you guys don't think that I've disappeared off the face of the earth. And I think if I was to disappear off the face of the earth, I will let you guys know. But, or if I want to take a break, which I was thinking I might take a break this month, but even that is like, yeah, I don't know, things ain't working out to plan, like I said, so I'm taking each day as it's come. And like I said, Sunday is my day off, and I thought, let me record some videos in bulk, and that is what I'm doing. So look at me, my eyes like bloody hell. I kind of forgotten that I'm on camera, but hey, can't be, you know. But you know what, let me end it here before I ramble about other rubbish, or not rubbish, but other stuff, so to say. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your continuous support and everything. The giveaway as well, even that is kind of like being put to the side for now, because if things ain't properly sorted out, how can I be doing a giveaway if my content is not the best? It's good, but it's not the best, but it's content, like I'm saying. So once things get better, then I will do the giveaway. I'm thinking to do like a giveaway on YouTube, this YouTube, and on Instagram as well, Missybeelondon. But yes, so much things going on. You know what, I shouldn't really complain too much because people have got more challenges than me, but it's just me. You know, I'm a person that got used to a certain routine, and then when that routine changed because of work, it's just been a struggle. But at least I'm cooking through, I'm kicking through, so to say. So see you in the next video. Bye.